everybody, what's going on? I hope everyone's having a great weekend. I know that I have had the best time. So the other day I got to watch Brooks. And so I got a Brittany and Brooks day, and it was so much fun. And then after that, I had like two of my best friends come in town. They live out in Vegas, and they came to visit, and they just had a baby. So I got to see him today, actually. I had friends over Friday night. Today we went and saw my friend's baby get baptized, and that was so much fun. And went to lunch over at her mom's, and it's just been such a good few days. I've had such a great time. I hope everybody else is having a great time. And here is all the footage from the last few days. Check it out. What up, everybody? Today is Friday. And I am over here babysitting little baby Brooks, but I wish that it was for under better circumstances. I know a lot of y'all watch Cullen and Katie's and then the JK Today. So today is the service for Jay's mom, and I'm going to stay here and watch Brooks, and Cullen and Katie left a little bit ago to go to the service. So I hope that it's a beautiful service. I'm sure that it will be, and everybody is just going to be there for each other, and like I know they will be, and just kind of try to get through this really hard time. So as for us, we're going to hang out over here. We got little Brooks teaching me how to play golf, and I dressed him this morning, which, y'all, I don't know, I'm like so excited about dressing my children. Like, if I have a little boy, he's going to be swag-tastic. I mean, I didn't really do a good job with Brooks today because we were in and out real quick. He had to go. We needed to get outside. So we just threw on a white tee and some khaki shorts. Oh, here's my iPad. Thanks, bud. And so he's rocking that. It's a beautiful day. Do our thing. Tell me how you hit that layup. Boom! High five. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Oh, that's so sweet. You being sweet to the pups. Hey, come here, Brooks. Guess what? Guess what? Your Aunt Brittany is going to have a little baby like you. I think we're going to have a little boy for you to play with. Look at his face. Look at you smiling. I see it. Hey, look. What are you doing, Goof? What are you doing, Goof? Come kiss. Oh, no. He's trying to kill me. I love Brooks. He's the coolest. The coolest. You trying to hide, but I see you smiling in there. Agua. Goose. Jump, jump, jump. Oh. Oh, where are you going? He's a wild man. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh. I'm gonna get you. Just going to play golf. No big deal. See you later.
Look what I found at Cullen's house. Watch this. You see it? The green bucket? I just hit it like dead on first try because I'm awesome at this. Watch. Bang. I got it! Oh boy, it's not working anymore. Don't tell Cullen it wasn't me. Look at him, there's no ball right there. There's a ball right there. Right through the dog poop.
Hey y'all, we've got a fetal Doppler. There you go. Did y'all hear that? That's a heartbeat! Yay! Little Oscar potato. We got the baby.
In the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, and in the name of the Holy Spirit. Dalton, come and sing today. Now let's tell everybody, how old is he today? 5.5 months. Dalton, this is your new Christian family. As we welcome you into church today, please.
Hey y'all, guess what? So I'm over at my friend's house and one of my best friend's mom is Lisa and she makes pottery. I wanted to show you guys some of this pottery because it is amazing. Look at this. Is that not just the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Look at this. I know a lot of you would love some stuff like this, the crosses. Oh my gosh, it's just blowing me away how beautiful this stuff is. And she does this. She makes these and sells them. Like, how cool is that? Y'all, seriously, if you want some pottery, look at this. How cool is that? If y'all want some awesome, handmade, like custom for you pottery, comment below and I'll send you the information. Like, I am so impressed. This is amazing. Look at this.
Look at these. These are like snake. This one looks like a snake pattern. I just think it's fun.
It is literally like snake skin. How cool is that? And this is Lisa. She's the one that makes everything. Yeah, y'all comment and tell me if you want some pottery and I'll send you to her. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Okay, so I don't know about y'all, but I love to garden. So when we got this house, we actually made sure that we got the lot next to us so we would have plenty of room to garden. So I could have a big garden or whatever. And I want to do a bunch of like vegetables and things like that this season. So I went to the store and I got all kinds of goodies. Delicious foods for us to eat. Like, here's what I want. I want to be able to walk outside and I want to like literally pick my lunch. Like, I want to be able to walk outside and make myself a salad out of my own garden. So that's the plan, and I am so excited to start like getting everything ready for my garden. It's gonna be awesome. We have designed, like me and Cory have been like designing our whole yard and how we're gonna do it, and we found a really good deal on these railroad ties that we're gonna use for like steps to go down and for our raised beds, and I'm just so excited about the garden. So
And then I got lots of seeds. We got peas. We got daisies. And sunflowers, which I want to plant all over there by the side of the house. Okay, then I got, look at all this. We got some parsley. No, this is mint. This is sweet mint. Then we got, what is this? Sweet basil. For your margarita pizzas, babe. We got some, what's mint? I don't know what kind of mint it is, but we got some more mint right there. And we got parsley. And we got spearmint. That smells like spearmint too. Yum. And we got
rosemary.
We got, what is this? Italian oregano. We got lettuce. We got some heads of lettuce that I'm going to plant over there in those big ones because we need lots of room for the lettuce. Got me a little chair to sit in. Got lots of planters. Got the hanging planters, which I'm really excited about. We got some more little ones. Some little planters. We got the big planters. We got this one that's really pretty. And then this little unique looking guy. And some red ones. We hit the mother load. We got this one that you put in the ground. Got lots of little tools. a hose, another seat. Then look at all that stuff. I don't know if you can see, but it's a lot of, we got shovels and rakes and hose. I've got hose. I got hose in different area codes. No, just got one hoe, and he's in Montana's area code. Look at what Jenna's mom gave us. How stinking pretty is that? Woo.
Yay! What a fun time we've been having. It's been so good. The only thing missing is my baby, and he's in Montana working, and I hate being away from him. I absolutely hate it, but you know, he's up doing his thing, and you know, a lot of the times when we are apart, when we have to be apart or whatever, we'll leave little video messages for each other. So Cory, he was making I think he was actually doing this for the vlog, but anyway, he sent me this message the other day, and I think it was so sweet, so I just want to show you a little clip of it. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but check out this little clip from Cory.
You know, I just wanted to make this video because I love my wife. I love Brittany. She is so good to me, and she is amazing. She's one of the most intelligent person I've ever met. You know, she's beautiful. She's going to be the mother of my baby. Which makes me cry when I think about it, so we won't touch on that right now, but, you know, I'm happy. I love you, sweetheart. You mean the world to me. I'm lonely here out of town without you. Peace.
Oh, is he not the sweetest? I love him. He's so sweet to me. He misses me. I know he misses me. He hates it up there right now because it's just cold and he's working and it's just kind of miserable. So I'm actually going to the doctor tomorrow. So I'm going to have my second pregnancy update tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have heard a heartbeat by this, you know, by this time tomorrow we'll have heard my baby's heart beating. That is the goal. So we've got that. Grandmary's going to go with me again at 9:30 in the morning, and I'm definitely going to vlog some of that, so stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much, and for, you know, subscribing, for liking, for commenting, and on that note, this is Matt and Alicia, two of my besties. Here they are. Thanks for watching our vlog today.
Hit the like button and subscribe below.
Yeah! Y'all nailed it.